Hello there. So I made this video to help my fellow front-end developers be able to use images from Pexels using the API route. So since I had Pexels had an API endpoint, so I had to take advantage of this. So I built this tool. It's able to use the search engine of Pexels, search for images, and give me feedback of the number of images I want, and I can download all of them at once. So you can take advantage of this using it on your website and any other online business you have. So guys, to get this tool, go to any of your browsers, and I'm hosting this tool on my Google Drive, so go to this link, or you maybe see it in the comments or description. Go to this link and download this tool. Just unzip the link, the file, and for me I'm going to be using the VS Studio Code. I'll open this, and as you can see I have all the necessary files. I built a little UI so you can use it very friendly. I have the main app and all the other administrative tool and CSS, and I also have my env file, so you see my API key there is very clear. So guys, I'm going to be giving you this for free. You can use this API key as you want, but if it ever expires or it runs out of tokens, you can go to pexels.com, sign up, and go to API endpoint, and you get your free API key and just replace it. And most importantly, the requirements file, make sure you install this. Yes, make sure you install all the tools. This is currently a Flask API, so I'm using Flask and these other tools here. So make sure you install every tool in this folder. And also, if you have any sort of problem running this as I'm currently doing it, I have to say you can use the Gemini AI code assistant to debug any of your issues you're having. If you don't know how to install it, just simply go to my channel and you'll see a video about it. It can actually help you do anything you want to improve this in any level you have. So when I run this, you can see this is a very reliable tool. You can get all the 4K images you want live from Pexels for free as much as you want. So thank you for watching my video. Please leave a like.